Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to create a music video preview used for social media advertising. You could see something like this that's very popular on Instagram and Facebook. So basically, if you check on YouTube, you see a whole lot of resource, and everyone keeps pointing you to use Adobe Media Pro, which for someone who wants to do something simple, it's a stress. Like you have to download or start finding a key. So I'm going to be showing the easy way of going about this using a very simple app on your mobile phone. It will take you about 2 minutes, and here we go. So basically, what I'm trying to show you is how to. Um, Basically, I'm showing you how to see something like this, create something like this for your music video preview. So as you can see, there's a video playing in the middle. So basically, what I'll do is, what app? There's several apps you can use, but the particular app you're going to use is called Photogrid. Yes, Photogrid is a very popular app, and a lot of people use this for video collages. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the grid, but first we need to select the item. So remember, we have three partitions. So the first partition would be the picture, then the middle partition would be the video, and then the next partition would be another picture. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this artist. We're going to use that as one. We'll go to videos. If you would have downloaded the video on your phone, so that you have a copy of that as well. So I'm going to select the video as the second partition. Then I go back and I select the same picture as the third one. So the reason I'm selecting the picture twice, you would see when I finish the content. So basically, we'll go next, and then Photogrid does its work and gives you a random grid. Gives you a random grid. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on layout, and then you choose this one here, and then it gives you something similar to what you want to see. So basically, you click on the first picture, yeah, and then you just drag down to make sure the face is showing. Yeah, click on the second picture, make sure you drag up. Depending on how the artwork for the song is, you click on that. Then the video, you can also trim the video for it to start at certain times by clicking on trim. So by the time you do that, you can move around the video, but the max you can select here is 30 seconds. So you can do that, select the part of the what's it called that you want of the video, and you click OK. In case you don't want it, the what's it called, to be, hold up, let this process, and I'll be back in a jiffy. So basically, the what's it called has finished processing. So in case you don't want everything to be even and you want to have more space at the top, and or less space at the top and less at the bottom, you click there, and then you can always drag and drop to extend. The other one as well, you can always drag and drop to extend, and in the middle you have more space for your video. So once this is done, the full product is ready, and then you just have to click on next, and then you choose the format, and then the quality of the video. Once you're done, you click on save, and the video would generate. I'll be back when the video is generated. As you see, the video is still generating. Depending on the type of phone, it may take a while, but at most a minute or two, and it's ready. So guys, the video has finished, and then you would see if you want to share or if you want to view. So basically, you can share directly to your Instagram or to your Facebook, and it's been saved in there. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to go check out the video. We can check out the video, go to File Manager, go to our videos, Photo Grid, and you would see this is the video we just created. Enough resources, what does that mean? I like to play files for enough resources. So basically, what we're going to do, I'll just use another app, MX Player. So basically we go to the Instagram folder, and then we'll click on the video. Sorry, I'm just trying to locate the video. It's not on Instagram, it should be on Photogrid here. There it is. So we'll just click on the new video we just created. By the time we're done, we're going to have something like this. I think this is the old one I did, and this is the new one I did. So, and here, there you have your video grid that you could use to promote on Instagram, Facebook. So thank you all guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And we hope to do more of these videos. Thank you very much.